This is Kalam again here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp community in a minute. You can see this is my WhatsApp dashboard. Now just click this three icon menu, just click here. Then you can see here is a start your community, just one click here. Then again get start, just click here. Then select your community name. Example of I select my community name is Mr. Kalam. Then continue. When you click continue, you can see this is my community already created. Now add a group. uh, if I click if I click here, you can see create a new group. If you already have a group, just click here. Then if you don't have a group, just click create a new group. So I click here because I already two group here. Then I select ABC. This is my another group. Then again just click this icon, then okay. Then I successfully added my group in community. So this is a very easy. So you can look like this is my community. If I click here, wow. So if you want to more video about this type of, please comment below. See you in next video. Take care.